Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Farm and Farm. Do you know that quality control is under classified area or non-classified area, or raw material comes under classified area or non-classified area, and what is the class of granulation area? If you do not know all these, do watch the complete video, because in this video we will learn what is the difference between classified and unclassified area. If you want to learn details about the clean room classification system, the link of video is given in description. Must watch the complete video. So let's start our main topic, difference between classified and unclassified area. But before starting the video, if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all press the subscribe button to get more informative videos from our channel. So what is classified area in pharmaceutical industries? Classified area in pharmaceutical industries is the area where we have controlled number of viable and non-viable particles, and it is the area where our product comes in direct contact with the air. What is the non-classified area? Non-classified area in pharmaceutical industries is the area where we have no control over the airborne particles, and in this area our product have no direct contact with the air. So I hope you are familiar with the basic difference between classified and unclassified. So let's discuss more differences in detail to clear our concept. In classified areas, we have controlled number of airborne particles. In unclassified area, we do not have controlled number of airborne particles. Classified areas are also known as clean rooms. Unclassified areas are also known as non-classified areas. As we discussed previously, in classified areas, our product comes in direct contact with air. Here we do not have direct contact with the air, mean our product do not comes in direct contact with the air in non-classified areas. In controlled or in classified areas, we use HEPA filters, but in unclassified areas, we do not use HEPA filters. One factor which is common for these areas is that we control temperature and humidity in our classified areas, and we also maintain temperature and humidity in our non-classified areas for the human comfort. The next one is that classified areas comes under ISO classification system, and unclassified areas do not comes under ISO classification system. What are the example of areas which come under the classified areas? So in pharmaceutical industries, all the areas where sampling is performed, where dispensing is performed, are come under the classified areas. All the manufacturing areas, mean compression, coating, granulation, liquid manufacturing areas, sterile manufacturing areas, come under the classified areas. Blistering areas are also comes under the classified areas. What are the examples of non-classified areas? In pharmaceutical industries, packaging hall is the area where we do not have direct contact of our product with the air, so it comes under unclassified areas. Our change rooms come under the unclassified areas. Raw material store, because there all products are closed in our containers, and we do not open our containers in the raw material store because we open in the dispensing area. So RMS also comes under the non-classified areas. Finished goods store, packaging material store, all these come under the non-classified areas, and quality control lab also come under the non-classified area. So it was all about the difference between classified and unclassified areas. If you like the video, share it to others, subscribe my channel, do visit my website farmandfarm.com, and till the next video, Allah Hafiz.